Hello and welcome to today's video. If you are planning to have a shipping container home, this video brings to you an amazing 3-bedroom shipping container house with floor plans. Stay tuned as we give you a tour of this amazing house. Good, welcome back. This video brings to you MODBOX 640. MODBOX 640 is a modern shipping container modular home design using 2 shipping containers to create an elegant 3-bedroom modular home. This video covers a complete presentation in full color with dimension drawings, a cost estimate checklist, and 3D floor plans. Watch to the end of the video for all design drawings and a cost estimate checklist. Feel free to subscribe to our channel for our weekly videos on amazing design ideas from shipping containers. Let's get started. First, we look at the design concept. On the design concept, we use 2 high cube 40-foot shipping containers, and you are encouraged to use a 1-trip shipping container if possible. The containers are arranged with a 1-meter gap in between to increase the floor area of our amazing house design. So feel free to explore different sizes of shipping containers, but in this design we used 2 40-foot high cube shipping containers. Secondly, we look at the design brief. The salient features we managed to accommodate in this amazing 3-bedroom house include: we have a nice, elegant living space which comprises of a lounge which can be fitted with the light furniture to avoid cluttering it with unnecessary furniture. We have a dining space which can seat a maximum of 6 people. We also have a well-designed galley kitchen which is fully fitted with a hob, a sink, a fridge, and sufficient storage space. Next to it, we have a small laundry space which can be used to supplement the functions of your house. On the same level, we have a guest bedroom which shares a common bathroom with a children's bedroom. They are fully fitted with beds, and you can try out different types of arrangements to make sure you accommodate maximum use of your space. We have a well-designed master bedroom which seats a full queen-size bed, and it also has its own bathroom, so we can say is master en suite. So you are encouraged to explore other arrangements if you find you have sufficient space for the same. Next, we'll look at the foundation design. In this particular design, we've used a raft foundation. So what we've done is we've lifted our building off the ground so that we can keep the containers away from moisture. This prevents us from experiencing challenges of moisture and also rusting of our shipping containers. The good thing is also with lifting your shipping containers away from the ground, it allows you to create a nice space for an outdoor sitting space or an outdoor deck. Next, we look at the structure and modifications. As a rule, we don't tamper with the floor and the roof of our shipping containers. So in this particular design, we have maximum use of fenestrations to provide ample lighting for the master bedroom, the living room, and all the bedrooms. This is to enable us to have maximum daylighting and also to improve the general outlook of our design. We've also included that nice entrance canopy which is done in timber to introduce a bit of character to our design. We've also used timber infill in the space of 1 meter gap in between the 2 containers, and we also have a nice flat seam roof which is also used to give character to this house. The container and original doors have been left to provide access to the outdoor sitting space. Next, we look at the interior design. Under this particular category, what we do, we encourage you to use minimalist interiors. Yeah, make sure you don't use unnecessary fittings into your shipping container house, because the container modules are limited in terms of dimension. So if you clutter the space with unnecessary furniture, then it makes the space look cluttered. Try out Murphy beds for your bedroom so that you can transform the space into different functions depending on time. Yeah, try out flat pack cabinets for the kitchen and the wardrobes, because flat packs will help you to save on time and money since they come already cut out for you. Yeah, the dining space also can be double up as a study room depending on what is appropriate for you. Yeah, and remember, you also need to use light colored finishes for your interior so that you make the space look a little bit brighter and bigger than what is the case. Next, we look at insulation and temperature control. Depending on your climate, the insulation material you'll use will be dictated by the location of your building. If you live in the tropics, you need to only contain the amount of heat that is getting into your house. So insulation blanket with plasterboard will work for you. If you live in the cold climate areas, you are encouraged to use closed cell spray foam insulation, which gives you good moisture barrier properties, and it also has got nice R values to give you maximum insulation. Yeah, so you are also encouraged to use a nice roof cover. Like in this particular design, we've used a flat seam standard roof on our shipping containers so that we can regulate the interior spaces of our shipping container house. Next, we'll need to look at the outdoors and exteriors. Basically, an outdoor sitting space in a shipping container house helps you to extend the rather limited indoor living space in a shipping container house. In this particular design, we have a nice private master bedroom outdoor sitting balcony, which gives it an access to an outdoor sitting space and also provides maximum daylighting through the sliding doors. We also have a nice entrance porch to shield the main entrance from direct weather elements. On the extreme end of the shipping containers, we have the original cargo doors, which have been used to provide a nice access to outdoor terrace space. You can also use a Juliet balcony if you want to block off any access from that particular direction. Next, we look at cost estimate checklist. A cost estimate checklist basically helps you to at least plan for your shipping container house project. In this particular design, we provided you with a cost estimate checklist, which is basically giving you a list of items we've used in this particular design. So it allows you to cross-check through your items and plan for your shipping container house project. So go through the list. If you find that things that have been over-provided, feel free to remove. And if there's something that is missing, you're encouraged to add, so that at least you have a complete list that will help you in your budgeting and proper planning of your new shipping container house project. Next, we look at the drawings. We provided you with a full set of drawings in this presentation. Yeah, in these drawings we feature elevations. We also have fully dimensioned floor plans. So the drawings come in both full color and grayscale. Yeah, so you are encouraged to work with what is appropriate for you. So if you are like this, if you like this particular design and would like to build a house exactly like this one, feel free to visit our website ShelterMode.com, and you can buy these blueprints. We provide them in either PDF format or DWG. So depending on what you want, feel free to tell us what is the appropriate design format that you would like to have. Yeah, you are encouraged to explore all the design ideas that you've used in this particular design, and you are encouraged to feel free to incorporate what you find appropriate and what you can use in your own shipping container project. So feel free to also explore different materials like what we've used in this particular design or what is available in your location. So what do you feel about this amazing 3-bedroom house design? Do you have any questions? Feel free to ask by posting in the comments below. If you need further inspiration, You are encouraged to check out our other container homes designs on our YouTube channel, and feel free to explore all of them and find out if you find the one that you like and you would want to use it as your dream container home. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel for our weekly videos on amazing design ideas from shipping containers. If you need any further consultation, feel free to contact us on our website or on our Facebook page. Thank you for your time and see you in the next video.